Good evening, everyone. My name is Kate Lawrence Kabatingan from Base Money, and this is the two concept that I choose in lesson 3. Identify struggles. Uh, One struggles that resonates with me is balancing my studies with my personal responsibilities. As a college student, I sometimes face financial difficulties and uh, academic pressure, which can make it hard to stay motivated. There are times when I worry about my future and whether I can achieve my goals, but these challenges also encourage me to become stronger and more determined. Uh, a, a personal example is when I have to complete school requirements while also helping my family um, with household chores. There are days when I feel tired and stressed, but I continue studying because I want to finish my education and build better future. This experience has taught me the importance of perseverance, responsibility, and believing in myself despite life struggles. The next is individual self, relational self, and collective self. So, individual self, this resonates with me because it focuses on who I am as a person, my strengths, weaknesses, values, um, and goals. It reminds me that I am responsible for my own choices and personal growth. For example, I work hard in my studies because I want to finish college and have a better future. The next is rational self. Uh, this resonates with me because my relationship with my family, friends, uh, and classmates are important in my life. They support and encourage me during difficult times. For example, when I feel stressed about school, my life motivates me to keep going and not give up. Next, collective self. So this resonates with me because I am part of different groups such as my class calls and community. Being a member of these groups teaches me cooperation, respect, and responsibility. For example, when we work um, together on group projects, I do my part and help my classmates so we can achieve our common goals. And that's the two concept of lesson 3. Next is this is the two concept that I choose in lesson 4. Self, real self and ideal self. Real self. This resonates with me because it reflects uh, uh, who I am right now, including my strengths, weaknesses, habits, and current situation. I know that I still have areas where I need to improve, but I accept them as part of my strength. Mm, strength. For example, um, sometimes I struggle for managing my time because of schoolwork and personal responsibilities, but I continue doing my best to improve. Next is ideal self. So this resonates with me because it represents the persons I want to become in the future. It motivates me to work uh, uh, hard, develop good habits, and achieve my goals. For example, I want to finish college, have a stable career, and become someone who can support my family. These goals inspires me to keep studying and never give up despite the challenges I face. The next is Joseph and false self. Joseph, this resonates with me because it represents who I really am. My genuine thoughts, feelings, values, and personality. I believe that being honest with myself helps me build confidence and meaningful relationships. For example, I choose to be myself around my close friends instead of pretending to be someone else just to fit in. So next is false self. This resonates with me because there are times when people hide their in real feelings or act differently to gain acceptance or avoid criticism. I can relate to this because there are moments when I pretend that everything is okay. Uh, Even when I feel stressed or worried, for example, I sometimes smile and act cheerful that at school, even though I am struggling with schoolwork, so that I do not make others worry. So, and that's all. Thank you.